Hi everyone and welcome back to Teacher Zhai. For today's episode, tayo po ay nasa week 5 to 6 na po ng ating empowerment technologies. Again, this is a MELC base. Ang topic po natin for today is advanced techniques using Microsoft PowerPoint. So, start na po tayo by answering this pretest. Okay, so paki-screenshot na lang at isend po ang answer nyo sa akin. So, mag-start na po tayo. Microsoft PowerPoint is a powerful presentation software that helps you produce an effective presentation in the form of on-screen slides. It provides a hyperlink and several animation styles such as entrance, emphasis, exit, and motion paths. Animation and hyperlink are great tools in making a presentation more dynamic. Terms, views, and functions of Microsoft PowerPoint. So, una na po dyan yung tinatawag nating slide. It is a single page of presentation. Collectively, a group of slides may be known as slide deck. So, the shortcut key to insert a new slide is Ctrl plus M. So, for this example, pakita ko lang sa inyo. Ayan, ang gagawin ko, ayan, kinlik ko lang sa aking keyboard is Ctrl plus M. So, next po tayo. We also have design templates. It is a pre-designed graphic style that you can apply to your slides. So, ayan, napakarami po nating mga ready-made templates para mapaganda yung design ng ating PowerPoint. Next naman po is we have the slideshow button. It is a collection of pages arranged in sequence that contain text and images for presenting to an audience. You may press F5 if you want to start your presentation from the beginning of the slides, or you may click the slideshow button to display the current slide in the presentation. So, ito po yung example ko. Papakita ko lang sa inyo kung paano tiniplay ang isang PowerPoint. So, pwede nyo gamitin yung inyong F5 key sa inyong keyboard. Or pwede rin naman, dito sa pinakaibaba, ayan, meron tayong slideshow button. So, pag kinlik yan, automatic slideshow na po ang ating PowerPoint. Okay, so next po tayo. Animation, a set of effects which can be applied to text or graphics within a slide. So, ito naman, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano maglagay ng animation. So, ayan, kiklik ko muna ito, yung animation, yung word mismo na animation. Then, pupunta ako sa animation ribbon. Ayan, ang daming mga sample ng animation. We have fade in, fly in, float in, diba? Meron din tayong random bars, wheels, shapes, and more. Okay, so ganyan po maglagay ng animation. Next po natin is the transition. So nakita niyo, diba? Nagkaroon ng transition itong PowerPoint natin bago siya mag-proceed dito sa topic na transition. These are motion effects that when in slideshow view, add movement to your slides as you advance from one slide to another. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo sa example na to kung paano maglagay ng transition. So, ayan, kiklik ko lang yung transition tapos marami na ako ditong types of transition. We have the morph. Ito yung isa sa mga bago. Fade. We also have push, wipe. Ayan, so split, meron din, reveal, cut, random bars, shape, and more. Madami tayong available transition. So, marami kayong choices pag gusto nyo lagyan ng design yung inyong mga PowerPoint slides. Ayan, so diba, meron na agad tayong transition. Next is we have the presentation views. These are the buttons that you see to change views into normal, outline, slide sorter, notes page, and reading views. So, ito po, papakita ko sa inyo kung saan makikita yung sinasabi natin na yun. So, dito sa pinakailalim, makikita nyo po dyan yung normal, slide sorter, reading view, and slideshow. So, umpisahan natin. Ayan. O, diba? Ayan yung unang view. Next, punta tayo sa reading view. Okay, pag reading view, ganyan po ang itsura niya. Tapos, punta naman tayo sa ating slideshow. Ayan po ang slideshow. Okay. So, magbabalik po tayo sa ating normal view. Ito po ang ating normal view. Okay. So, next po tayo. So, normal view is simplified layout of the page so you can quickly key, edit, and format the text. So, normally po, dahil nga normal view, pag open nyo ng PowerPoint, ayun na mismo yun. Ayun na yung normal view na tinatawag. Na kung saan, meron ka ditong page sa gitna mo. Tapos, dito sa gilid is yung mga list of slides na meron ka. So, for this example, sa screenshot ko, meron akong 16 slides. Okay, so this is the normal view. Next, we also have the notes page view. It displays your slides on the top portion of the page with the speaker notes for each slide in the note pane on the bottom of the pane. So, meaning, sa baba daw ng iyong slideshow, makikita nyo yung notes page view. Madalas, nilalagay yan kung ikaw ay merong presentation, report, or talk. Kasi kung sakaling may nakalimutan ka sa iyong slides or nakalimutan sa iyong mga sasabihin, pwede kang mag-check sa iyong note page view. Next is we have the outline view. It displays all of the text in a PowerPoint slideshow in outline form, regardless of the design. So, object and animation. Ayan, so yung outline view ko, ito yan sa left side, diba? Makikita nyo, okay, ayun pala yung laman ng first slide, sa second slides pala, andito yung ganitong mga text. So, ayan po yung itsura ni outline view. Next is we have the slide sorter view. It displays all of the text in a PowerPoint slideshow in outline form, regardless of the design, objects, and animation. So, kung kanina, naka-outline siya sa side, nasa left side, dito naman, naka-slideshow type siya. Or yung maliliit na thumbnail, yung inyong PowerPoint slide. So, pwede nyo agad mabasa or makita kung ano yung hinahanap nyong slideshow. For example, ang kailangan kong topic is design template. What if nandito pa lang ako sa outline view? So, ayun, makikita ko agad using slide sorter view. Kasi, mababasa ko kaagad yung laman ng mga slides. Next is we have the tips in creating an effective presentation. First, minimize. So, keep slide counts to a minimum to maintain a clear message and to keep the audience attentive. Okay, so minimize, kontian lang natin yung slides natin. Whenever we talk, whenever we report, kailangan mas marami po tayong sasabihin para nasa atin yung attention ng ating mga audience. Next, clarity. Use a font style that is easy to read. So, as you can see dito sa aking slideshow, very easy to read talaga yung laman ng aking slideshow kasi wala siyang kaarte-arte in terms of font style. Diba? Meron din tayong simplicity na tinatawag. It uses bullets or short sentences. Diba kanina may mga presentation ako na gumagamit ako ng bullet para i-present yung mga information. So, hindi na siya naka-paragraph form. Okay, another type is the visuals. So, use graphics to help in your presentation but not too many to distract the audience. So, pwede tayong maglagay ng konting graphics or images para makatulong sa ating mga audience. As you can see kanina, yung visual na ginamit ko is isang picture lang or isang video. Depende kung paano ko siya gustong i-present. Pero syempre, hindi naman siya nakaka-distract. Consistency. Make your design uniform. So, in this example sa aking pagle-lecture today, diba, consistent yung design ko. Kung ano yung design dun sa umpisa, From the font style to font color, pati na rin sa design, iisa lang, consistent. Okay? Next, we also have contrast. Use light font on dark background, then vice versa. So, ayan. As you can see, white yung aking background, then I use dark font. Gumamit ako ng blue, at gumamit din naman ako ng black. Next, hyperlinks in a presentation. It allows you to easily navigate your slides during your presentation. It allows you to link another slide in the current presentation, another slide in a different presentation, another file, or a web page or email address. Ayan. So, hyperlinks are usually activated by clicking on the text or image. Text hyperlinks are usually in color blue and underlined. When you use hyperlinks only, the location of the source file is stored in the destination file. The linked data or file remains in the source file. The data in the destination file is updated whenever the source file is updated. Ayan. So, yung atin palang hyperlink, pwede nating ilagay ang hyperlinks text, pwede rin sa image or sa object. Okay, so gumawa din ako ng example ko niyan kung paano maglagay ng hyperlink. Ayan, so ang gagawin ko ay mag-i-insert muna ako ng shape. Ayan, nalagay na lang ako ng circle. Tapos, hindi ko na nababaguhin yung design niya. Okay na yun. Tapos, meron tayo ditong link or action. So, dahil hyperlink yung pinalalagay sa atin, i-click ko na lang muna tong link button. So, you can see, marami dyan. Merong existing file or web page, place in this document, create new document, email address. So, ayan, diba? Pero ngayon, ang gagawin natin ay hanap tayo ng existing file. So, click ko yung module 1 ng Empowerment Technology. So, pag kinlik ko yung bilog, dapat lalabas po, ayan, module 1 ang lalabas. Okay? So, ganyan po, mag-hyperlink. Ang ginamit ko dito is image. Pareho din naman siya sa ating text. So, let's have our activity for today. Answer the following items and write your answer on a separate sheet of paper. Number 1, list at least 5 real-life situation where you can use Microsoft PowerPoint. So, magbigay daw ng 5 na live situation yung talagang magagamit nyo in real life. Okay? Yung gamit ng PowerPoint. Next, what is the significance of using hyperlink in your presentation? So, may significance ba to? May importance ba to? Of course, yes. Sige, what is the answer? Next, cite 3 instances where animation styles are useful in presentation. So, ano ba yung usefulness ni animation sa ating PowerPoint? Sige po, bibigay tayo ng 3 example. The number 4, discuss the steps on how to add animation in a presentation. So, kanina, di ba pinakita ko sa inyo kung paano maglagay ng animation sa ating PowerPoint file. Then, number 2, answer the following items in not less than 3 sentences. Write your answer on a separate sheet of paper. Number 1, in your own perspective as a student, how important is Microsoft PowerPoint? Diba? Gaano kaya ka-importante si PowerPoint sa inyo as a student? Next question. What are the benefits of using PowerPoint as a tool in the classroom? So, ayan, ito yung tool natin na ginagamit ngayon. I'm using PowerPoint. So, what do you think will be the benefit of PowerPoint? Then last, make an acrostic out of the word PowerPoint. Okay, so magbibigay kayo ng mga words out of those letters. So, P-O-W-E-R-P-O-I-N-T. So, ayun po yung activity natin for today. At dahil ikaw ay nanonood kay Teacher Zhai, meron tayong mga sample answers. So, if you think nakatulong sa inyo ang lecture na to, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell button para lagi kang updated sa mga posts ko. Thank you!